issue was regarding the footpath between Parra and till Gandhi Chowk. What happened in that and concerning
This is a case about construction of a footpath and construction of a road from Parra to Gandhi Chowk at Mapsa. The work from Parra to Bodgeshwar temple was already completed. What remained to be done was the work from Bodgeshwar junction up to Gandhi Chowk. Today we produce a work order issued by the PWD for construction of that footpath and widening of the road. That work will start now. Based on that, the High Court has disposed of this petition as far as this footpath work from Parra to Gandhi Chowk is concerned. But there is another petition which is concerning construction of footpath from clock tower to the taxi stand, and then from the clock tower to the district hospital. Similarly, from clock tower to the Duler ground, and from clock tower to St. Xavier's College. As far as construction of a footpath from clock tower to district hospital is concerned, the municipality has carried out the work. Municipality has tendered the work. The High Court has issued a time-bound direction. And the High Court has said that insofar as this work is concerned, the code of conduct and all the other issues will not come in the way, and the work will have to be completed expeditiously. Tender process will continue. Similar is the direction as far as work from clock tower to taxi stand is concerned. There also High Court has observed that nothing will come in the way of processing this project by the PWD. The code of conduct will not come in the way of this construction. So, and that matter has been kept in the first week of May now.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.